Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, February 4th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, you can see the Dow had another good day today. Um, I, I always like to see it actually closed on its high. Good rally there, right? The last 15 minutes. That's always encouraging. I think I got it right here. I counted up. I think this is the fifth straight up day in a row for the Dow. And I'll again reiterate this is a bull market, and this market has a very strong upside bias, and I would not bet against it. And I do think we will, in reasonably short time, see new record highs in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Um, that's not to say we can't have some tough times, because we do. In fact, sometimes we have tough times even when the Dow is making new highs. So, but very strong upside bias here, no question about that. We had a good day today. We had 7 positions coming in, and we closed those out with positive $7,000. So that's real good. We got into 14 new positions today. 6 were positive, 8 were negative, but we still come up with $5,500 positive in open trade equity. So uh, looks pretty good all around. I'll show you. But if I didn't say it, the Dow officially closed up 175 points, 175 points up for the Dow today. I'll show you 3 of our pretty good positions. This first one I've showed you. This is DeGaz, which is inverse natural gas, and I've been showing you that quite a bit, but it is definitely trending up. 2 days ago, we bought this thing, second hour, and then yesterday we got out of that with about $3,000 in profits, and then we got re-entered on it again. That's what our system does, and it closed pretty nicely for us. But then we got this big gap this morning, which of course was very profitable for us. It did pull back some, but when we got out of there, even though with the pullback and all, we still made about $7,000 in DeGaz. And then the thing starts chugging up, and we buy it again on another reentry, and we have about $500 there in open trade equity. So it makes me a little nervous to keep getting into this thing, because DeGaz can gap pretty nastily against you. But we do what the system says to do, and so far it looks really good. Okay, I'll show you another one. I'm just kind of showing this to you because I haven't shown this to you before. This is AKRX, that's a biotech, and it's Acorn Incorporated, and we bought this right out of the gate this morning, and it pretty much kept going. Did some pullback there at the end, but we're holding $2,600 in Acorn. And then finally, kind of the big surprise, and this was the one that really pushed our equity up today. This is INSY, which is Insys Therapeutics Incorporated, obviously another biotech. And we bought this about the second hour as this thing started taking off, and it just kept going. Little pullback there at the end, probably day traders getting out. But as it stands there, we have almost $6,000 in positive open trade equity. So, really good day all around. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Tuesday.